Looking for some motivation to go for a walk? You came to the right video. Straight up, this is what I do to motivate myself when I don't feel like going for a walk. Like today, I've been up since 5-ish in the morning, been at it. It's been hot. Southern California, it's like close to the 90s. I'm tired. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm sleepy. Last thing I feel like doing is going for a walk. So I do a few things to motivate myself so I can come out here with enthusiasm and purpose. When I get home from putting in work and I'm ready to I just want to sit down, I want to have a glass of water, I want to have a cup of coffee maybe, take a shower, have dinner. I make all those things my prize for going for a walk. I just tell myself, man, I can't wait till I get back from my walk so I can have my cup of coffee. I can't wait till I come back so I can have a nice warm shower or cold shower, whatever the temperature is. Because yeah, this feels the same way during the cold months too. And I'll even tie them all together. Like, man, I can't wait to come home so I can take a shower, have my cup of coffee, enjoy dinner, and then lay down in my nice, fresh, clean, cool bed. Just doze off and go to bed. Those are my treats. Those are things that I'm gonna do anyways. But I don't do any of them before I leave for the walk, because then I don't have them as a prize. I don't have them as a treat for doing such a great job and persevering and going for that walk that I don't feel like going on. Like right now, literally, I have that waiting for me at home. Probably the one that shines the biggest is dinner, because I'm like hungry. The toughest part is when you're barely gonna start. That's when it's the toughest and these prizes work. After you've been going for a walk for a while, months, years, it's almost like that's the treat. Like I'm putting in work during the day and it's like, oh, I can't wait to go out to the walk. I mean, come on. I mean, I get to be here. We got such a beautiful park that we come to every day. And I get to hang out with my sweet cheeks and the rest of the pack. It's just a beautiful thing. I look forward to this. So it's not so much that I need to give myself prizes or motivation for going. But even then, like literally today, I'm like, oh man, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I'm hungry. And I gotta use it. Like, yeah, I'll walk by, I'll open the fridge, I'll see the chicken and rice, I'll see the hot sauce. I need it. I need it. Why? Because I know it's a prize. Will I come anyways? Yes. But all that is motivation. It gives me that little extra kick to like, come on, hurry up, don't drag your feet. Don't sit down too long as you're putting on your shoes. Let's just put them on, put her harness on, get the treats, and let's go. Now here's a bonus motivation tip right here that helped me too at the beginning when I was getting used to getting on these walks on the daily. Set yourself up for success. My walks at the beginning used to be to the corner and back. It wasn't out here to the park. It was right there by my house, and I just go to the corner and come right back. Did I go for a walk today? Yes. Then the next day, same thing. Then it was those days where I was like, it's just so close. Does it really matter? Well, it's because it's so close. Don't make when you're just starting to go for a walk, whether it's something that you choose to do because you know you have to. Maybe your doctor told you that you have to, or maybe something happened. Maybe something happened. You had a little scare, a little medical scare, and now you know that you have to be walking 20 to 30 minutes a day. Whichever one of those it is, or even all of the above. Don't make it difficult for yourself. Don't make the barrier of entry difficult. Don't make it to where you have to change and put your walking outfit on. And although it's probably cute and really, really cool and really fancy, don't. With exactly the clothes you're wearing, just walk around, walk to the corner and back, walk to the stop sign and back. Maybe at your local park that you could walk to. Don't go to the track. Don't go to this fancy field where you see all the popular kids out there walking. No, just go to the corner and back. Then maybe turn it into go around the block. Then once you've been doing that for 10, 15, 30 days, then like, you know what? You're going to get it. You're going to create momentum. Then you could upgrade. Now you can go to the local park, or you go to the track, or whatever it is. Maybe you could go to the mall even if those are still around. But the thing is to set yourself up for success with just short little walks, short little 5-minute walks, and make them non-negotiable. I am gonna go for this walk because you should, because it's good for you, because you want to be grateful that you have this body for a little while. Take care of it. It's not a punishment to go for a walk. You're being grateful for having this body. And that's what you're doing it. You're working it the way it's supposed to be worked. You're giving it what it needs to have, which is exercise. I know you could do it. The fact that you want to, or the fact that you know your conscience is screaming at you saying that you have to do it, that should be motivation enough for yourself. Say, I hear the voice inside me that says I have to. You're trying to rationalize and say, no, excuse A, B, C, D, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start Monday. Why? Go outside and go to the corner and back and check off the box that said, yeah, I went for a walk today. What? I did it. And go give yourself that treat. Not an extra thing that you don't normally have. Don't go get yourself a tub of ice cream or go get yourself, 2 dinners or whatever. No, just something that you're going to have anyways. Make it your treat. You get to have that. A lot of people don't get to have what you're going to have. The treat of having a nice, clean, fresh sheets on your bed. That's a treat. Give yourself that as a treat. Don't take it for granted, but put in the work. Go for that walk. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, get up, go for a walk exactly how you're dressed, whatever you're wearing right now. You don't need to change, just make it happen. Then come back and watch this video again tomorrow if you need a little bit of push. I'll probably make another one tomorrow of these. Hopefully they help. And also too, if you need any other type of motivation, drop it in the comments. I'll make a video. I'm gonna try this series here of just motivation. What people need out there, people that are watching my videos. Maybe you need a little extra push. I know how it is. I know how it feels. Sometimes you do need a friend to tell you, come on, you can do it. That's what I want to make. I want to make these videos that hopefully it'll get you to do the things that you know that you should be doing, but that you don't want to do. Build yourself some discipline, get yourself some confidence. Get out there. Let's go.